From prehistoric times to the present, inventions have shaped and redefined the world around us. Understanding these inventions gives us a glimpse into the grand scope of mankind's creativity and ingenuity. Hi, Ed Leon here for The Great Courses. Understanding the inventions that changed the world is an in-depth exploration of the history of human innovation. It's taught by award-winning professor Bernard Carlson, an expert on the role of innovation in history.
This course is guaranteed to increase your technological literacy as we uncover the stories behind the greatest inventions that shape our world.
You'll explore the ways that inventions have changed our lives, how clocks redefined our sense of time and labor, how telescopes and microscopes advanced the scientific method of observation, how the integrated circuit opened the floodgates to the world of modern electronics, and dozens of other important innovations. You'll meet history's most notable inventors and study the social climate that made their inventions a necessity for their times.
How do great inventions work? Where did they come from? How did they revolutionize the world? See how inventors are creative both technologically and socially.
Develop a new appreciation for the ingenuity and impact of mankind's greatest inventions. Understanding the inventions that changed the world.